Hello students, my name is Sejal Jubanputra and today I am going to teach chapter number 2 common and proper nouns. Today we will solve the textual exercise of this chapter. But I hope you have seen my first video of chapter number 2 of grammar, common and proper nouns. In that video you have learned what is common noun and what is proper noun. But once again I want to revise. So today you will be able to solve the textual exercise of chapter number 2 common and proper noun. So let's begin this chapter. Now read these sentences. The bird is building a nest. Nikhil plays tennis. Here you can see the highlighted words all are nouns that you already learned in first chapter. What is noun? So many times I repeat the same thing that a noun is the name of person, place, animal and things that we know. But in this chapter now, you have to identify whether they are common nouns or whether they are proper nouns. So bird, nest and tennis, they are common nouns. Why? So I want to explain you that bird. Which bird? We don't know. Okay. Bird, there are so many birds in the world. Right? Nest. That is also common noun. Tennis. Nikhil plays tennis. This you can see the first letter is also small letter. Bird. Bird means B. Nest ka N. Tennis ka T. And Nikhil. Nikhil plays tennis. Who plays tennis? Nikhil plays tennis. That is why Nikhil is a proper noun. So here bird, nest and tennis are common nouns and Nikhil is a proper noun. Let's understand once again. We use common noun for places, people, animal, things or ideas. Common nouns begin with a small letter. For example, she came to the city for the first time. We don't know which city. That is why city is a common noun. Even we can see it is a small letter. C is a small letter. We sit by the river every evening. River and evening both are common noun because it is used in general. Which river? We don't know. Understand? The man took a taxi to the station. Here you can see the highlighted words like man, taxi and station. All words are common noun. Why? Because it is used in general. The man, we don't know. Which man? Taxi, which taxi? We don't know. Station, whether it is a bus station or railway station, we don't know. Now let's understand the proper noun. We use proper nouns for the names of places, people, animal, things or ideas. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. कॉमन नाउन से प्रॉपर नाउन है वो पूरा अपोजिट है. ओके, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि प्रॉपर मीन्स व्हाट? स्पेसिफिक. ओके, which is accurate. So here you can see some examples of proper nouns. She is going to Hyderabad for the first time. And here you can see the difference. Here she came to the city for the first time. Here you can see she is going to Hyderabad for the first time. City, which city? You don't know. That is why city is a common noun. But Hyderabad, now it is specified. जो particular है, जो specify है. Now we can know and it is specified. That is why Hyderabad is a proper noun. Even you can see first letter is capital. Second sentence, we sit by the river every morning. Which river? We don't know. Ganges, Ganga Nadi. So it is specified. That is why river is a common noun but Ganges is a proper noun. The man took a taxi to the station. We don't know which man. Samir took a taxi to the station. Now we can know. Samir is a proper noun. So now I think now you can understand what is proper noun and what is common noun. Now let's solve the exercise of chapter number 2. Please read it. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. First of all, try to understand the question properly. So read it twice. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper noun. First of all, students, how can you identify whenever any sentence comes in front of you? First, read it properly and then find out how many nouns are there. Okay, then you will differentiate, okay, which is common noun and which is proper noun. Now let's see. I had an ice cream at Scoops. Ice cream is a name of thing and there are so many ice creams. Okay, so many flavors of ice creams we have. So it is a common noun. Scoops. I had an ice cream at Scoops. Scoops is the name of a place, but particular place. That is why it is proper noun. Or here you can see S is capital, right? Now second one. Sherlock Holmes was a detective. There are so many detectives in the world. Detective means जासूस. पता है डिटेक्टिव का मतलब क्या होता है? जासूस. तो Sherlock Holmes was a detective. Sherlock Holmes is a name. Who was a detective? Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes वो नाम है, naming word है. It's a name of a person. And names of a person, in my first video I taught you, whenever we are writing names of person, they all are proper noun. So Sherlock Holmes is a name, that is why it is a proper noun. And detective, it is used in general because there are so many detectives we don't know. That is why detective is a common noun. Understand? Now, Tim went to buy a pen. Tim went to buy a pen. Tim is a name of a person. Once again, names of person come and pen is a name of thing. There are so many types of pen. Okay. So, pen here, it is used in general. It is used in common. That is why pen is a common thing. And Tim is a name of a person. And as I already told you, names of persons are proper nouns. My sister read Black Beauty last summer. Sister. Sister, here you can't see, but I have already underlined here. So please underline here because sister is a common noun. There are so many sisters, we don't know. Black Beauty. My sister read Black Beauty last summer. Black Beauty is a name of a book. As I already told you, there are so many names of books like Ramayana, Mahabharata, The Jungle Book, etc. etc. So, Black Beauty is the name of a book. Okay. My sister read Black Beauty last summer. So, Black Beauty is a name of a book. Okay. That is why it is a proper noun. Summer is a common noun. Sister is also common noun. There are two common nouns, sister as well as summer. And Black Beauty is a proper noun. Now fifth one, Rebecca took the bus to Pune. Rebecca. Rebecca is the name of a person. Pune is also name of a city. That is why both are proper nouns. And bus is which noun? Very good. Now you understand very well. So bus is a common noun. Sixth one. Have you watched the new Mary Poppins film? We don't know which film. Film is film or you can say movie. Movie is a common noun. Which film? We don't know. But Mary Poppins. So now it is specified. Which movie? The name of a film is Mary Poppins. So Mary Poppins is a proper noun and film is a common noun because there are so many films, right? But here it is specified. That is why Mary Poppins is a proper noun and film is a common noun. Understand? Now let's understand the second exercise. Is it visible for you? Good. Exercise number B. Read loudly after me. Pick out the nouns and write them in the correct columns on the next page. Listen children, actually there are two exercises here. First of all, you have to identify, here actually one paragraph is here, or you can say one letter is here. First of all, you have to identify how many nouns are there. Then you have to differentiate between, means which are common nouns and which are proper nouns. First you have to identify, and then you will have another exercise. You will write here, you will differentiate which are proper nouns and which are common nouns. So first of all, we will identify how many nouns are there. Dear Maya, I was so happy to receive your last letter. Maya and letter already, it is highlighted word, already given you, both are nouns, but we have to identify. Maya is which noun? Who will tell me? Maya is proper noun or common noun? Very good. Maya is proper noun. Letter is a common noun. So, here you can write, you see, Maya is a proper noun, so you will write in proper nouns column, and letter you will noun in common nouns column. Now let's understand more examples. I wanted to write to you earlier, but I was busy with my term exam. Exam, which exam? We don't know. Terminal exam or unit test exam or any common exam, we don't know. So exam is used in general. That is why exam is which noun? Very good. Common noun. Even here you can see E is in a small letter. So in which column we will write? Come on, please take a pencil in your hand and write down with me. Exam, you will write in which column? Common noun. Come on, write. Very good. Now let's understand. I came to Mumbai last week to meet my grandmother, grandfather and my cousin Saurav. Mumbai. Naming word, name of a place, we all know. But here, which place? Mumbai. It is specified. Even here you can see first letter capital. Already I told you the names of city or country or state. We will write with capital letter, as well as they all are proper nouns. So in which column you will write Mumbai? Who will tell me? Very good. In proper noun column. So please come on, write down this word in proper noun, Mumbai, Mumbai. Now grandmother. There are so many grandmothers. सबको दादी होती है ना, दादी भी होती है. इवन ग्रैंडफादर यानी दादा भी होते हैं. कजिन, कजिन माने हमारी जो सगी बहन नहीं होती, या वो अंकल या आंटी की या मासी की जो लड़की या लड़का होता है. सो दिस इज दे आर यूज्ड इन जनरल. ग्रैंडमदर, grandfather, cousin. It is not specified. That is why grandmother, grandfather and cousin. We will write in which column? Yes, very good. In common noun. So please write down these three words. Grandmother, grandfather and cousin. In which column? Common noun. Very good. Now here you can see Saurav. Cousin name, my cousin. Who? Saurav. Saurav is specified. Okay, it is specified. That is why Saurav is a name of person. We all know. And first letter capital also. It is specified. That is why Saurav is proper noun. He studies in विल्सन कॉलेज. बच्चों विल्सन कॉलेज साथ में है, भले यहाँ पे आपको अलग अलग नाम दिखे हो, बट विल्सन कॉलेज दोनों पूरा नाम है। जैसे नालंदा विद्यालय जो साथ में ही लिखते हैं ना हम, वैसे ही विल्सन कॉलेज एक ही वर्ड है, विल्सन कॉलेज। सो आपको एक ही कॉलम में लिखना है। विल्सन कॉलेज इज नालंदा विद्यालय इज अ नेम, इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन, राइट, एंड वी ऑलवेज राइट इन अ कैपिटल लेटर। विल्सन कॉलेज भी क्या है, प्रॉपर नाउन है। सो प्लीज राइट विल्सन कॉलेज इन प्रॉपर nouns column. We went around the city every day. City. Which city? We don't know. City is used in general. That is why city you will write in common noun. My favorite was small coffee shop called Mondegar. Here you can see next page, coffee shop. Which coffee shop? We don't know. That is why coffee shop is a common noun. Remember it. So you will write coffee shop in which column? Yes, very good. Common noun. And Mondegar. Mondegar, it is the name of a coffee shop. Okay. So you will write in proper nouns column. Mondegar. It has wall art by famous cartoonist Mario Miranda. Cartoonist. Which cartoonist? We don't know. Okay. So cartoonist is a common noun. But Mario Miranda वो साथ में ही लिखना है बेटा. So Mario Miranda you will write in proper noun. Which cartoonist? We don't know. But now it is specified. Mario Miranda. So Mario Miranda is a name of a proper noun. You must go there sometime. We also went to the Gateway of India. As I already told you, the names of monuments like Gateway of India, Charminar, then Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, etc., etc., even the Eiffel Tower, all are the names of monuments. So they all considered as proper nouns. So first letter capital, and even you will write Gateway of India is in proper column. And walked along the Juhu beach. Which beach? We don't know, but here it is specified, Juhu beach. That is why Juhu beach is a proper noun. So please write Juhu beach in proper nouns column. We also had a huge pizza at a nearby food stall. Huge pizza. Pizza is the name of a thing. Yes, food items. And food stall. Which food stall? We don't know. That is why pizza and food stall both are common nouns. I will send you a postcard soon. Postcard, also a name of thing. It is not specified, right? That is why postcard is also a common noun. Your affectionately, Deblina. Deblina is a name of a person. So in which category it will come? Very good. Proper nouns. So we have already solved this exercise. If you want to copy it, so for sometimes I will put it in on your screen. So if you want to write this, please take a screenshot and you can write your answer in a textbook. Okay. So for sometimes मैं आपको ये स्क्रीन पे ही रखती हूँ. यहाँ पर प्रॉपर नाउन्स में आप देख सकते हो. माया तो ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है, बट मुंबई, सौरव, विल्सन कॉलेज, मॉन्डिगर, मारिया मिरंदा, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया, जुहू बीच एंड डेबलिना. And please listen children, be careful whenever you are writing proper noun. Whenever you are writing proper noun, first letter must be capital. Okay. Here you can see I have written all the common nouns in small letter because common noun starts with small letter. Okay. So exam, grandmother, grandfather, cousin, city, coffee shop, cartoonist, evening, pizza, food stall and postcard. You will write in common nouns. Okay. Now let's understand one more exercise. Write 4 proper nouns for these common nouns and read them aloud in class. Actually, I have written some answers, but if you want to write some other answers, you can write. Here you have to write any 4 names of cities. Here I have one name is written here, Chennai. Okay. Here I have written Morbi, Rajkot, Delhi. Even you can write names of other cities also, like Surat, Mumbai. Okay. Even Baroda means Vadodara. Okay. Etc. etc. Names of people. Here I have written 4 names of people: Ram, Rishi, Maya, Vyom. You can write your name, your family members name के नाम भी आप यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो. But yes, remember one thing, while you are writing any name, please check it that the spelling must be correct. Okay. But you can write any names of year. It doesn't matter. No problem. आपको मुझे फॉलो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप अपने हिसाब से भी कोई भी 4 नाम यहाँ पर लिख सकते हो. बट रिमेंबर दिस कि ये सारे कौन से नाम है ये सारे प्रॉपर नाउन. सो वाइल यू आर राइटिंग दिस प्रॉपर नाउन, रिमेंबर फर्स्ट लेटर मस्ट बी कैपिटल. सिटीज कॉमन नाउन है, बट सिटीज़ के जब हम नाम देते हैं वो बन जाते हैं प्रॉपर नाउन. पीपल कॉमन नाउन है, बट जब किसी का हम पर्सन का नाम स्पेसिफाई कर देते हैं तो वो हो जाता है प्रॉपर नाउन. बुक्स, विच बुक्स वी डोंट नो, बट इफ़ आई राइट इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथ्स, साइंस तो वो हो जाते हैं स्पेसिफाई. दैट इज़ वाई ये बन जाते हैं प्रॉपर नाउन. रिवर्स, विच रिवर्स वी डोंट नो. ओके. गंगा, नर्मदा, यमुना, नाइल, गोदावरी, ब्रह्मपुत्रा. आपको जो भी नाम इधर लिखना हो लिख सकते हो, बट एक हाँ स्पेलिंग का थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा. मॉन्यूमेंट्स. हियर आई हैव रिटन ताजमहल, रेड फोर्ट, इंडिया गेट, चार मीनार. Even if you want to write the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, then Eiffel Tower, even the wall of China, जो भी लिखना हो लिख सकते हो, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आप कोई भी आंसर लिख सकते हो. द आंसर में वेरी. सो नाउ आई होप you understand and you will be able to differentiate between common and proper noun. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home.